Imagine this. You're in the shower and someone is watching you. How creepy would that be? Welcome to the Know This channel. Today, we're going to talk about something both fun and intriguing, how we're secretly being watched. With technology advancing, every moment of our lives is becoming trackable. Now, speaking of being watched, imagine this. You're in the shower and someone is watching you. How creepy would that be? Well, this isn't just a joke. It's a reality we need to deal with. Let's dive into how we can prevent this. Cornelius will accompany you in the rest of the video. Enjoy watching.
Frisked. Camera flies. First, let's talk about camera drones and mini drones. Imagine, they're so tiny you wouldn't even notice them. But here's the funny part. Just when they're secretly taking pictures, you too can experience something similar. It's scary, and then you realize you're famous, but a celebrity who is secretly photographed in the shower. These tiny devices are being used to track people's movements, facial expressions, and even conversations. Technology has advanced so much that we can be monitored by devices so small, they're practically invisible. Second, smartphones. There are hundreds of apps on our phones. While scrolling through Instagram, you suddenly start seeing ads for products that seem to speak directly to you. Imagine you're chatting with a friend about a movie, and all of a sudden, you see ads for that movie popping up on your computer. What a coincidence, right? Well, with advanced technology, devices can analyze our voice. Our phones track not only our conversations, but also our every step. Our privacy is at greater risk every day. Third, smart cars. Another fascinating topic is smart cars. Today's cars come with GPS, voice recognition, and smartphone connectivity. But since 2014, some cars have been equipped with black boxes. These boxes collect all the data in case of an accident. But conspiracy theorists believe that this data is being used for other purposes. While they seem cool and safe, these cars could also be tools for monitoring us. Fourth, street lamps and hidden cameras. Now let's focus on street lamps. Yes, you heard it right. Those simple-looking street lamps might actually be spies right in front of you. The new generation of street lamps has the ability to take photos, record conversations, and even count the number of people around. The funny part is that most of the time, we don't notice until we pass by them. But in reality, we could be a part of a tracking system. Nobody would want this. But the truth is it's happening. And don't even get me started on the holes in homes or the hidden mirrors. And that's it. Next time, don't forget to check for cameras while you're in the shower or using the bathroom. Who knows, they might be watching you right now. Anyway, see you in the next video. Take care, or I might catch you on camera. Don't forget to subscribe, or someone might secretly record you singing next time. All right, bye-bye.